Dyma nhw'r pedwar. Y beirniad yn trafod gyda Stewart, ydy wedi gwneud penderfyniad yn barod neu ydy eisiau gweld nhw'n unigol eto, gewn ni weld. Wel, dwi'n meddwl falle'r un blwydd, mae Larkin sydd wedi gael ei. Wel, llongyfarchiadau mawr i Mr Robert Sgraen. A Dylan Kitts, pencampwr adran y Ceffylau Chwaraeon. A'r Gio Wobr yn mynd i'r swclyn buddigol. Cosets prospect, llongyfarchiadau mawr i Robert Sgraen a'r holl cysylltiadau.
The winner of Class 1 to Mrs Leander Walton's Cossets Prospect. Llongyfarchiadau i chi yn wir ar ennill yma heddiw.
Dyn ni am cael winner chat, neu... Do you want me in then?
Just received the sponsorship of the classes and the Welsh Government as well for the Small Schools Championship.
Ond dyma ni Sash yn cael ei gylfwyno i Ma Larkin a Dylan Kitts. Ond gyda mestyn a breichu hir i roi ymlaen a llongyfarchiadau mawr yn illydd poblogaidd yn adran y Ceffylau Chwaraeon.
But I've been working hard here in the ring from 9 o'clock this morning, and also our judge, Mrs. Lloyd Williams from Aberystwyth. I do hope you've been happy with the exhibits in front of you, with high entries numbers forward from the entries. A mawr hyderau fe byddwch yn mynd ôl i ardal Aberystwyth yn hapus gyda'r dewis o bencampwr yma heddiw.
Yeah. Champion sports horse this time, how are you feeling?
Quite overwhelmed. It's quite an experience really to be shown in such a big show and go champion.
Oh, well done.
Thank you very much.
I think everyone will argue that it was very well deserved. No one's worked harder today.
Well, it's first class, isn't it?
Yeah, well done. We'll see you later on in the Supreme.
Yeah, thank you.
Da iawn, diolch.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, to the winner of the Sports Horse Championship here at the Winter Fair. The yearling number 1089, Mr Robert Sgraen's Ma Larkin. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be seeing her again.
Pencampwr adran y Ceffylau Chwaraeon. Ma Larkin, Dylan Kitts yn ei arddangos, ond Mr Robert Sgraen sy'n berchen ar y nifel hyfryd yma.
Diolch yn fawr i chi am i'r beiriad a fi'n drosglwyddo chi nawr.